Good morning, fam. If your body feels heavy and your mind's still waking up, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to shake off the stiffness, spark your energy, and bring your spine, hips, and mind back online. Move 3 is where everything shifts, so stay with me. Let's hit the mat. Start standing tall, feet shoulder width apart. Hands on hips. Now gently circle your hips halfway forward and back, like you're tracing the top half of a hula hoop. Switch directions after 30 seconds. This gentle sway is more powerful than it looks. It primes your lumbar spine, the area most people ignore until it's already screaming for help. I promise this move wakes up your balance, control, and even your digestion. Beginners, keep your circles small and slow. Advanced stretches add a little more range, challenge your balance. Did you know that your lower back holds more emotional stress than you think? Moving it first thing can change your entire day. 5 more seconds, deepen the circle. Do you feel your core gently kicking in? If not, the full version is going to wake it up for real. That just unlocked your base. Now let's circle the full core. Now let those circles go all the way around. Push the hips back, side, in a smooth rhythmic loop. Change directions after 30 seconds. We're not just dancing here, we're training your hips to move freely again. And when your hips are free, everything else flows. I promise you'll feel this boost your flexibility, balance, and even your glutes. Beginners, keep feet wide and circles controlled. Advanced stretches add arms up to challenge your core stability. Did you know tight hips can disrupt your sleep and make sitting painful? 5 more seconds. Add just 10% more range. Feel the heat in your lower body now. That fire is what we're chasing next. That just activated your hips. Now we build strength in that space. Feet wide, toes out, squat down deep and bring your elbows inside your knees. Hands at the heart center. Rock gently side to side. This move reteaches your body how to squat the way we were designed to. Deep, strong, and open. I promise this will boost your mobility faster than any seated stretch. Beginners, stay upright and hold the stretch. To advanced stretches, add a pulse up and down to build strength. Here's a wild fact. Babies can drop into this squat naturally. Adults, we lose it from not using it. Push your knees out gently. 5 more seconds. Are your hips starting to speak yet? If not, the next move will stretch them in a whole new direction. That just grounded your legs, and now let's stretch and lift the spine. From a plank, push back into downward dog, thigh, heels heavy. Inhale, now shift forward into cobra. Drop your hips, lift your chest. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Flow between the two for a full minute. This is your spine's version of a yawn, a full body sigh of relief and power. I promise this move will energize your back, stretch your chest, and unlock flow through your whole chain. Beginners, hold each position longer. Advanced stretches add speed or pause in cobra to open deeper. This combo activates both the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, so you're energized and calm. 1 more full flow. Hold each pose for 5 seconds. Feel that upper body release. The hips are next, and we're going sideways. That just rebooted your spine. Now for the final challenge. Feet wide. Shift your weight to one side. Bend that knee, sit into your hip. Opposite leg stays straight. Chest stays tall. Switch sides slowly with control. This is your mobility game changer. It strengthens while it stretches, and it hits all those ignored side muscles. I promise this move will make you more athletic, more mobile, and more balanced on both sides. Go halfway down or hold on to support. Advanced stretches, try adding arm reaches or toe taps for flow. Lateral training helps prevent knee injuries and strengthens the glute medius, your balance boss. Last 10 seconds, pick up the pace or go deeper. This is your personal challenge. Can you go just 10% lower than your last rep? That just activated your whole lower body. Feel that power? You earn it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth and not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.